Hi, a warm welcome to everyone to my 21 days CTM Skin Challenge. Today is day 16. So let's start. I have taken my Innisfree Green Tea Foam Cleanser. Now I'm applying it on my full face. Just warming it in between my hands like this. Taking a little bit of water and now I'm massaging my face. So start doing it with me. Always use upward strokes. Don't forget your neck. You can also do crisscross movements like this. Look at it. And then use the same crisscross movements on your forehead. I'm done. Please go and wash your face. I'm taking Tal today for a change and showing you how I use Tal on my face. So just dab it. I'm using today Innisfree toner. It's called Jeju Orchid Skin. It's my toner today. I'm putting 5 to 7 drops on my cotton pad. If you have your toner in a form of a spray, you can spray it on your full face. And if you have in bottle like this, then you can take it in between your hands or on your cotton pad and start dabbing. I hope so आप सब दिन में 2 बार CTM करते हैं, एक बार मेरे साथ, second time आप अपने आप करते हैं, right? And I'm done. Let's wait for your toner to dry on its own. Bring your face mask, get your face pack brush, be ready. This is my pineapple mask. Today I have normal to dry skin. I've taken 2 teaspoons of pineapple pulp, 2 teaspoons of cucumber pulp, and 1 teaspoon of fresh cream and 2 teaspoons of wheat flour. I've mixed them all together and then I've made this paste, and the paste will look something like this. So always apply your face mask in upward strokes. I've made the same mask for normal to oily skin as well. I've taken 2 teaspoons of pineapple pulp, 2 teaspoons of cucumber pulp, 2 teaspoons of chickpea flour, which is besan, and 1 teaspoon of curd. I've mixed them all together and made a paste. Never ever take your face mask very close to your under eye area, or never apply your face mask on your eyelid area as well. Your mask should not be very thick, nor it should be very runny. Pineapple has antioxidants into it. It is very rich. Pineapple has vitamin C, vitamin A, and a whole lot of enzymes in it. It will act as an anti-aging mask for your skin. It will lighten up your dark spots. It will lighten up your scars or uneven skin tone. It also has alpha hydroxy acid, which will help in removing your dead skin and cells. So you'll be getting soft and supple skin. Or you can also say it is like an exfoliator to your skin, a natural exfoliator to your skin. So apply your face mask in the same manner the way I am applying it. So never ever forget your neck. Start applying your face mask in upward movements. Also apply your face mask on your neckline. And I've kept my face mask in refrigerator for good 10 to 15 minutes before applying it onto my face. Because it's summer and this mask is giving me that cool feeling. I hope so you all must be feeling the same. So I'm done. Check your face mask. I'm checking my own. And if you don't have this kind of face pack brush, it's okay. You can use your fingers in upward strokes like this. I'm checking my mask again and again and reapplying it. So let's do a day after tomorrow bleach session, guys. So as you all know, bleach always lighten our facial hair and it also removes the tan. Although we don't have that kind of tan on our face because we are taking care of it so well, but still you should know how to apply a bleach and what all do's and don'ts you should take care while applying bleach. Okay, so I'll be teaching how to do bleach day after tomorrow. Let's wait for good 5 to 7 minutes. I have still 3 more minutes. जो लोग भी जिनका face mask हो गया है done, they can go and wash. Kamna is showing me that I have applied it on my arms as well. Good, Kamna. You can apply it on your arms, on your neck, on your shoulders, on your neckline, on your underarms.
Tani also.
Good, yeah, Tani also.
How often we should use this Milagro oil on our face?
If you feel the need, you can use it every day. You can even mix the Milagro oil in your face mask. You can mix Milagro oil in your foundation. You can apply Milagro oil before your foundation, before your makeup. How to prepare your skin? You can use Milagro oil. I've shown it in one of my YouTube video as well. You can go and check it out. It's really nice. Milagro, Indulgence, Nykaa facial oil, they all are really good.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
जैसे मैं ना 2-3 दिन से मिलाग्रो ऑयल की जगह ना हाइड्रा एलिक्सर यूज कर रही हूँ, तो मेरे को वो ऑयली वाला फील भी नहीं आ रहा, और हाइड्रा एलिक्सर का ना इतना मतलब वो भी नहीं लगता चिपचिप, और ग्लो भी दे रहा है.
Yes, because it is hydrating, no baby? It's hydrating.
हाँ, तो ये वाला मुझे आजकल बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
हाँ, good. Thank you.
ज़्यादा सूट कर रहा है.
She is my mother-in-law. हम दोनों साथ मिलके लगाते हैं मास्क.
Hi. Good. So I've washed my face mask. So I'm just showing you my skin so that all of you can have a closer look. I can see that shine on the tip of my nose, on my cheekbones, as if I've applied some kind of highlighter, and I'm immensely happy. I'm so happy. I'm loving my this pineapple glow mask. There is Guneet. Guneet, बताइए आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. I'm feeling very good.
Great. और घर में आपको किसी ने बोला कि आपकी स्किन इम्प्रूव हुई या अच्छी लग रही है?
Yes, ma'am. My mom said me. She says me every day कि you are applying very good things. Do it. Continue it for the lifetime. Don't ever leave it.
Yes. You should
Take
always
care of
do it on a daily basis.
Thank you, ma'am. Credit goes to you only.
मैं आप लोगों की ये हैबिट बना दूंगी 21 डेज. जैसे गुनीत ने बोला, उसकी मॉम ने भी बोला उसको कि बहुत अच्छा स्किन लग रहा है, और आप सबके फीडबैक्स आते हैं कि स्किन अच्छा लग रहा है. आई नो स्किन अच्छा लग रहा होगा, और मैं देख भी सकती हूँ वो चेंज आप लोगों की पिक्चर्स में कि एवरीवन स्किन इज इम्प्रूविंग. तो प्लीज इस चीज को यहाँ छोड़ नहीं देना. कीप ऑन डूइंग इट फॉर लाइफ टाइम. ऑल्दो मैंने यूट्यूब के वीडियोज बना दिए सो दैट जब भी आपका मन करे छोड़ देते हैं तो वापस से उन वीडियोस पे जाना और देखना कि हम लोग की स्किन कितनी इंप्रूव कर रही थी. जो लोग आज CTM लाइव सेशंस पहली बार अटेंड कर रहे हैं उनको भी ये डेफिनेटली बहुत चेंज लगेगा. सो गाइज, नेवर एवर लीव योर CTM. ऑलवेज डू इट ट्वाइस अ डे. इफ यू लव ऑल दिस DIY होममेड रेसिपी मास्क, कीप ऑन अप्लाइंग इट. They will never ever harm you. But yes, last but not the least, if you are doing DIY homemade recipe mask for the very first time, always do a patch test behind your ear so that you should be knowing about it, that this particular face mask suits your skin type or not. Normally we don't know that honey suits to us or not. हमें allergies हैं या नहीं. तो please अपने फेस पे लगाने से पहले एक पैच टेस्ट जरूर करें. ऐसे ही DIY होममेड रेसिपी मास्क को भी चेक करा जाता है पहले, सो दैट फेस पे कोई एलर्जी ना हो जाए. ओके, सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट. टेक आउट योर मॉइस्चराइजर. आई एम यूजिंग टुडे Innisfree Jeju Orchid Lotion.
We have to apply moisturizer and sunscreen both.
मैंने इसलिए सनस्क्रीन नहीं आप लोगों को बताया था ऑलमोस्ट 15-16 डेज, क्योंकि सब घर पे थे. ऑल्दो आई नो घर पे अगर आप लोग होते हैं तब भी सनस्क्रीन लगाना चाहिए. इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेप इन योर CTM. So if you are at home, then also you should apply sunscreen lotion. But if you are stepping out, you should always apply sunscreen lotion before you step out, at least half an hour before. एकदम से sunscreen लगा के there is of no use, वो स्वेट के साथ सब रिमूव हो जाता है. सनस्क्रीन हमेशा 2 से 2.5 घंटे तक ही वर्क करता है. ये एक बहुत बड़ा मिथ है कि हमने सनस्क्रीन लगा लिया तो हमें सन टैन नहीं होगा. सन टैन होगा. आपको UVA और UVB रेस से बचाता है सनस्क्रीन, सो दैट आपकी स्किन में बहुत ज्यादा डैमेज नहीं हो. बट ये नहीं कहता कि आपको सन टैन नहीं होगा. ओके, It is just a barrier. It creates a barrier onto your skin so that UVA and UVB rays, ultraviolet rays, should not harm your skin, should not damage your skin to that certain level. Before buying your sunscreen, always look that it should write broad spectrum. Look at the sunscreen from Inatur. It says broad spectrum, SPF 50. Okay, water resistant, not at all sticky. So I have already applied my moisturizer onto my skin. Now let me massage it. I've taken a little bit of more moisturizer on my hands and now I'm applying it onto my neck as well. I've already applied it on my face. If you are 25 to 30 years of age, please start doing face yoga or start using jade roller. All those rollers I have shown you, all those face massagers on daily basis. Then only you can see visible result. I'm still trying to penetrate this product into my skin. It's very moisturizing, it's very hydrating. I'm just using tapping movements. Don't use body lotion onto your face. I'm using Inatur Collagen Eye Cream for my under eye area. Just one pump is more than enough. It's so hydrating. I'm taking it on my ring finger and applying small dots on my under eye area and on my eyelid area as well. Now I'm using my dabbing movements. Why I always use ring finger? Because it has lightest pressure. And if you are in a hurry, you can also massage it outwards to inwards. This way. You can also use circular movements. Never ever do like this, okay? It gives you a stretch, a kind of a stretch. If you are in a hurry, you can go outwards to inwards, okay? This way. So I'm done with my under eye cream. Now I'm taking my Inatur lip balm in lemon. Never ever forget your lips. And I'm done. And this is my skin. Yeah, I'm happy.
हम टोनर प्रॉपर अंडर आई और आईलिड पे लगा सकते हैं ना या नहीं? लाइक व्हेन यू स्प्रे सो यू जस्ट क्लोज योर आईज ना तो वहां पे जाता है.
कोशिश करो उसको क्लीन कर लो.
ओके. और जब नॉर्मल मॉइस्चराइजर लगाते हैं,
काम ना एक रीजन है. कई बार हम जो अगर मैं बोलूंगी ना सबको कि टोनर लगा लो, तो ये लोग ना अल्कोहल बेस्ड टोनर भी लगा लेंगे अंडर आई एरिया पे. यू नो आप रोज वाटर स्प्रे कर सकते हो. रोज वाटर में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती बेटा, बट अल्कोहल बेस्ड टोनर्स को आईज के पास नहीं लगाया जाता है. सो इसीलिए टोनर्स पे क्या होता है दैट अवॉइड अंडर आई एरिया. मोस्टली टोनर्स अच्छे ब्रांड के मेंशन करके देते हैं. ये छोटी छोटी टिप्स को मेंशन करते हैं पीछे अपने बॉटल के.
और मैम जैसे हम लोग अगर शाम को किसी पार्टी मेकअप करना है अगर अपने फेस पे, तो हमें फेस वॉश करने की जरूरत तो नहीं है. हम डायरेक्ट मॉइस्चराइजर के ऊपर ही अपना फाउंडेशन या कुछ भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं.
शाम को आपने एक बार सुबह कर लिया मेरे साथ 3 PM. शाम को जब आपको एक फेस मेकअप करना है तो आप कोशिश करो कि पानी से फेस वॉश कर लो और मॉइस्चराइजर लगा लो. ठीक है, क्योंकि जब आप आओगे अपनी पार्टी से वापस तब आप क्लीन करोगे और फिर आप फेस वॉश करोगे. तो 3 बार आपको फेस वॉश नहीं करना चाहिए आइडियली. ओके, ऑलवेज ट्राई एंड डू फेस वॉश ट्वाइस अ डे.
ओके, थैंक यू मैम.
Today we should use the same face wash or we should change the face wash?
Keep on changing. You should always keep on changing your face wash, your hair shampoo, your toothpaste, because you know otherwise your skin, your hair, your scalp, your hair and your teeth get immune to a particular product.
And we are looking forward for your makeup sessions also. After the CPM. We really want. I mean, I really wanted to learn from you.
Sure. So my personal makeup workshop is coming very soon. I am doing my hard work and my team is along with me. They are pushing me ki ma'am jaldi karo, come on with the dates. So I'm coming up to the dates very soon. Stay tuned. I'll be updating you that what all I am getting in my personal makeup workshop, what you will be learning out of it, and when it is starting. So yeah.
जब हम फेशियल्स करवाते हैं तो व्हाइट हेड्स और ब्लैक हेड्स के लिए वो एक टूल यूज करते हैं. They press it and
that is called comedone.
जो भी, तो वो हमें करवाना चाहिए?
नहीं, no. Nowadays it's a traditional way of removing blackheads, but that particular tool can sometimes give you a scar if the person is not using it correctly, or they are pushing that product too much deep into your skin, तो आपको scar हो सकता है. You should ideally use a suction machine, a suction product to remove your blackheads and whiteheads. Otherwise, now the way is take 2 tissues and press that particular blackhead and whitehead and it will pop out. That's the latest way. Or you can take 2 Q-tip and tell your esthetician, tell your beautician, we call them estheticians. So tell your esthetician to take 2 Q-tips, 2 cotton buds and just press your blackhead or whiteheads and do it gently. Don't be very harsh.
क्योंकि I think इसको बहुत ज़्यादा pores open भी हो जाते हैं.
Yes, you're right. और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मेटल की चीज आप बार बार बहुत जोर जोर से लगाओ ना तो मार्क्स पड़ते ही पड़ते हैं. कई बार एस्थेटिशियंस बहुत जल्दी में होती हैं, कई बार क्लाइंट बहुत जल्दी में होता है कि यार जल्दी करो, आई हैव टू रैप अप, मुझे जाना है, तो वो लोग भी इतनी जल्दी में काम करते हैं दैट आई हैव सीन कि कहीं ना कहीं स्कार हो जाता है.
Thanks to you.
You're welcome, anytime.
What if we have small white bumps on our face, like I have on my forehead, and there are also small white bumps, like one here. I mean, sometimes white bumps, kind of small, very small.
Take a screenshot, take a picture, and send it to me. Sometimes, Renu, it is milia as well. Milia हो जाता है, white color का हमें लगता है white head है, but वो white head नहीं होता है, छोटा सा bump ही होता है. But it is in white color. You need to go to your dermatologist and वो laser से हटता है. Blackhead remove, वो blackhead या whitehead की category में नहीं होता है. It doesn't fall under the category of blackhead or whitehead. It is called milia, and you need to get it removed either with nitrogen pump or with your laser.
Thank you.
Can we use face serum?
Yes, you can. Before your
or can you suggest any particular one?
Vitamin C face serum, you can use any vitamin C face serum. I swear by one product which is from Kiehl's vitamin C face serum.
Yeah,
you can use that. It's amazing. Normal to oily skin people can also use it. Normal to dry skin people can also use it.
Company Caffeine,
I've heard about it.
So I have this coffee face serum. So can I use like once a week or like
I don't know. No? Just check it. Just check it. Can you use it for normal to oily skin? Just check it before using. Ask them. See, Kamna, nowadays, you know, companies are so much aware that they answer your chat, whatever queries you have in your mind, because maybe I have never used this particular product. So how can I be so sure? Until unless I use it on my skin or in my professional past years, I should not be saying about any product like that. So that you should not get wrong knowledge or wrong reviews out of me, right? So ask them. They have an Instagram page. Go there, DM them that I have this particular condition. I have bought your product. Can I use it on my skin? Can you tell me what all ingredients do you have put in this? So they will be telling you, yes, ma'am, you can use it, or no, ma'am, you can't use it. So it's better to ask them.
Sure. Thank you.
Cool. You're welcome, darling. I hope you all are enjoying my CTM live sessions. And if you are not doing my CTM live sessions, I hope so you are loving my YouTube videos. I hope so your skin is loving you for all these DIY homemade recipe masks. And it must be improving. You must be getting that glow, that suppleness, that softness in your skin. Whatever improvement you can see in your skin, please do share in the comment section. I would love to read them all. So I've completed my day 16 of 21 days CTM skin challenge. If you have liked my video, you can hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And of course, last but not the least, do not forget to hit the bell icon.